There are three defining models of an atom in chemistry: the Thompson's, Rutherford's, and the Bohr's model of an atom. So, what are the characteristics and who are their makers? The Thompson's model of an atom was presented by this guy, J.J. Thompson, in 1904. It consists of a positively charged sphere with negatively charged electrons embedded at intervals in this positively charged sphere. Coming on to Rutherford, Rutherford's model of an atom was presented by this guy, Ernest Rutherford, in 1911. It consisted of a positively charged nucleus in the center which was much smaller in size than the atom. It also consisted of electrons that revolved in circular paths around this nucleus. Finally, the Bohr's model. The Bohr's model of an atom was presented collectively by Niels Bohr and Ernest Rutherford in 1913. The Bohr's model of an atom consists of a positively charged nucleus in the center which contains most of the mass of the atom. The nucleus is surrounded by negatively charged electrons that revolve in fixed orbits known as shells. These are known as the K shell, the L shell, M shell, N shell, etc. The energy of the electrons in the shells increases progressively from the inner to the outer shells.